Use Progress Book to send classroom emails to parents or students, you are going to use the classroom notification option. To do this, look at your gradebook menu, pick the class where you would like to send the information, and click on it to open it. Once it is open, come to the class notification section under Classroom Administration and click on it. Once you're there, you can decide if you want to send the message to students, parents, or students and parents. So if I want to just send it to parents, I select parents and let it populate the parent list. I can choose to send to one parent by selecting the parent name and then clicking the arrow, or I can select all parents by clicking on the 3 arrows. Once I have selected all parents, I can then type my message in this area right here. If I want to include a link, I am going to have to create the link in another page. So I come to my untitled document. Here's the link for the weekly agenda. I've gone to my weekly agenda. I've hit share, advanced. I'm going to change it from private access to anyone with the link can view and save. I copy this link right here. Come back to my sentence, highlight the word where I want the link to go, click the link button, paste the link in, and apply it. I can now highlight this, come back to my message, and paste it in. This link will now be live when I send this email, and to send this email to parents, I simply hit the send email button right at the bottom.